Let's install the battery first. Open battery cover. Put the battery in. Open the back cover. Pull up. Load the film. Pull down. Pull across. Advance the film so that it hooks onto grooves. Close the back. Ready to take a photo. Turn right the wheel until it stops. Press the shutter to take a photo. Again. Press shutter to take another photo. Open the flash button. The LED capacitor starts to charge. The indicator will be red if LED capacitor is full charged. Turn right the wheel to take a photo. Flash is working. Again. Flash is working. Turn right the wheel again. If we turn off the flash button, LED will be off, but the LED capacitor still have power. Flash will still flash one time. Next time the flash won't work. Flash is not working. Again. Flash is not working. Open the flash button again. Flash is working. After the film roll is completed, hold down the rewind button and turn the wheel clockwise to rewind the film. Open the back cover. Pull up. Remove the film and drop it off at your local processing lab.